Hello, and to get started, you will need a worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Begin with a slip knot and a chain of however many you want for the width of your headband. I wound up doing 10 for mine, and I feel like that is a perfect width length for a normal sized headband. Then you're just going to start in the second chain from the hook and put a half double crochet, and then put a half double crochet in every chain down the row. And then at the end of your row, you're going to chain one, turn your work, and make half double crochets down the entire side. You're going to repeat this for however long you need your headband. So measure your head or whoever you're making it for's head, and then just adjust the rows based on the measurements. Before we get too far into this tutorial, make sure you go down, like, comment, and subscribe so I know you like content like this. So I ran out of my tan yarn about halfway through, so I had to continue with a blue yarn. But now you are going to fasten off, and then you are going to sew it together to make the little twist in the center. You're going to pinch it together on both sides, fold it in half on one side, and then on the other side fold it in half over the other half. Now we're just going to slip stitch it together, piercing it through all of the fabric at the top of your work, and you're just going to slip stitch across until you get to the end of your work. Once you finish, you're going to fasten off and turn it inside out, and then you are finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.